Welcome back to BUTV News. We have Officer Haynes with us tonight. He is the Crime Prevention Officer for the Bradley University. Welcome. Thank you for coming in tonight. So this is a new position to the Bradley Police Department. Could you tell me a little more about your position?
Sure. It started in around the first of the year, right around the 1st of January, and I was placed in the position. My position entails community outreach, and I'm kind of building the position right now, and I'm trying to build it into a position of education so I can educate the public. When I say the public, I mean the students, the faculty, staff, things like that.
So how can the students utilize you?
Well, there's a lot of different ways they can utilize me. Some ways that I've done so far is I've gone into some different organizations throughout the campus, and I've given presentations on safety, risk management, things like that.
Do you attend Late Night BU?
Yeah,
what are your feelings about Late Night BU?
It's great. It's a great program. I know that our interaction with the police department, we're trying to get a better participation level. We did Coffee with a Cop for several of the Late Night BU events, and we didn't get a lot of cooperation. So we're trying to get a little bit more interactive with that. This last one we did what's called beer goggles or reception goggles. So the students got to see, or the participants got to see the effects of alcohol without having alcohol in their system. So they could put on the goggles. And we had a really good turnout for that. It's a lot of participation.
Sounds like a great program. Is there any other way students can interact with you, a way to get to know you?
Sure. I am available 24/7. I can come to your location. You can come to my location at the police department. I'm a liaison between the police department and the university. I'm in a lot of different classes throughout the university as well. I'm working with Dr. Keister in Westlake with her early education program. And my email is nhaynes@fsmail.
Great. Is there anything that you would like students to be aware of on Bradley's campus?
Just know that the police department is there for their safety and their help. We are available 24/7. We have a fully staffed police department. Also, the different programs we hold, the Hilltop Cruiser, Hilltop Shuttle, and also the walking patrol. So if there's ever any issues or help, they need help, to call us at 677-2000. We'll be there immediately to help them.
Great. And lastly, could you tell us why you love Bradley and why you chose to work here?
Well, in 2013, I was stationed here. I was actually in the Army. I was the ROTC instructor, the professor of military science, and it just felt like a very good fit for me at the time. When I retired from the Army, the police department was actually testing, and I felt like the Bradley community was a very good home for me to work at, and it's been nothing but a great experience from then on out. So.
Well, we're happy you're here. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Peyton?